Okay, so if you're one of those that's gone through YouTube video after YouTube video after YouTube video trying to find a strategy that best suits you, and it all just seems so complicated, well, today we're going to go over a really simple strategy. It's just support and resistance. And as long as you put your support and resistance areas in the proper locations, you should do all right from it. It works pretty well. Nothing's 100% of the time, but this is pretty solid. So we're going to go over it today. Okay, so we're going to start with a key. Let's see this area here. We're going to drag it across. Now, when you do your zones or your areas, you want to go from the top of the wick to the bottom of the green candle for shorts. Okay, so the highest point of the two candles. So where price came down, you look at the two candles from where it came down. You go from the highest point to the bottom of the previous candle. Okay, so that's there. So that's that zone plugged in. Now it only becomes valid once price has moved away and then tapped back in it. Okay, so you wouldn't take a trade here. You wait, it taps back in it. It's now validated this zone. So if it moves away and taps back in it again, you get into a trade. So it's moved away and it's come back up. Now you could say, oh look, there's another zone here then. Okay, because there's the red candle, there's the green candle, it's dropped off. You wouldn't do this. Why? Because this zone is too close to this zone. So that increases your risk of losing because price may come up to this and go for this one. So we leave that because it's too close. We move on. Okay, so let's do our support area. So we start at the lowest point. Now, because this green candle is too big, it would look like this, and that's massive. So the next area where price took off is here. So you've got this candle and this candle, and because we're starting down here, we'll take the smaller one, bring it across. That matches up with here nicely. It's tapped, it's come down, it's tapped, it's come up, and now you can see it's tapped here. So we're only counting this as the first tap. This previous tap is not a tap. Okay, so prices come in and now it's shifted away. It's come back and tapped. So this is a valid area now. That's our support zone. So there's another zone just here. Okay, top of the wick, bottom of the green candle. Like I said before, price has moved away. It's come up, it's tapped it, it's come back down. This has now validated this area. So if price comes back up and touches this, we then go short. See what price did. Okay, we're now in the trade. We would have our order already set up. Stop loss at the zone. Risk of 1 to 1. Let's see what price did next. Okay, so price almost got us out there, but stayed within the zone and then came down and took our order. took our take profit. Now, price has broken through the resistance area, and it's common for it now to use it as support, which it looks like it has done. Price has now come into this resistance area. Again, it's tapped it. Our order's in. Our stop loss is at the top of the zone. Risk of 1 to 1. See what price did next. And it's come down. Let's just follow price. Tapped into the area again. Now you will eventually lose one of these when it breaks through, but you can keep doing it and keep using it because it can keep tapping this all day long. So just keep doing it. As long as it comes away and comes back, you're fine. If it's here like this, then obviously don't keep getting in trades. Okay, it's got to move away and come back. Okay, it's come down nicely. Let's keep following it. Okay, it's come down to this area here. Now, this coming down like this has, even though it's slightly off, right? Again, not every zone is perfect, right? Because that is so close. Just bring the zone up just a little bit, okay? Because it's like a pip away. So price has come up, it's come down and tapped into the zone, okay? This now verifies this support area, okay? So it's been created here, it's come up, and it is now tapped into it. So if price comes back down, we can take a trade off this. Let's follow price. Okay, I think we're at the end. So that's where things are now. Okay. So we'd be looking, if this comes down, we'd be again like this for a 1-to-1, and the same again for up here. Okay, and that's as simple as it gets. All right, it's just using these zones to your advantage. And like I said, you know, things like that, it doesn't work 100% of the time, because price does eventually break through. It always does. It did here. It probably will eventually break through here or here. So as long as you can take advantage of these taps, you know, at least twice, then as soon as it breaks through, you've won twice, lost once, you're profitable because your win rate is over 50%. If you can take advantage of 2 or 3 taps, I mean, you're golden. You've just got to make sure you put in your support and resistance areas in the right place. So let's go over another pair. Okay, we're on the Aussie dollar CAD. Let's put our zone in. It's our resistance area. You don't have to be exact with this. So price has moved away. It's tapped it and gone down. This doesn't count as a move away and tap, because it's basically stayed in the same area. It needs to really push away and then come in. Okay, you want clear space, okay, between where price was and when it came back. There's got to be like clear space there. Now we'll put our support area in. Now, as you can see, price has come down, okay, and validated it. So usually we would put our area to the close or near the close of this candle. It doesn't have to be exact. Because that candle's small, you want to make the area a bit bigger, so you can put it on the wick. And also this lines up with the close of this candle, because if you have an area that's like this, chances are price is going to come down and move away. As you can see here, look, it would have moved away if we'd have just used this. So like I said before, you can use the close or the wick. Because this candle's tiny, I would use wick to wick. It just makes more sense. So price has come down, it's come in. Now that's validated this area. This area is not validated yet, so we're still waiting for price to come back up. Okay, so price has touched that now. So as long as it rejects, which it has done, this is now validated. If price comes down here, we will take a trade because it's already validated. If price comes back up here, we will take a trade now that it has been validated. Right, okay, so price has come down into this area. And we go for a 1-to-1. So you really do want to have your orders set here once a area's been validated. Otherwise, you could just miss this, okay? Because it can be rapid like that. It comes down, boom, it's gone. So we'll stick our order here, just a tiny bit above, and then a 1-to-1. Let's follow price. Right, so it's touched. We're in. And we're out. It's as simple as that. Okay. Let's just keep following it. Okay. We're in again. Let's just move this across. So we're in again here. Okay. Okay, and price has broken through. So like I said, it's not 100% win rate, and actually this is a good example to show you. So it gave us a win here, and then it's broken through. So we collected 2 wins and 1 loss from this. Again, that makes us profitable. The more wins we can collect before it breaks, obviously the better. But in this instance, okay, that is where price is finished. It's broken through there. And that's okay as long as we collect our wins in the process. And that's about it, guys. So let me know what you think. Also, while I've got your attention, I've launched a new Discord group for everyone to come and join. We just chat about trading, talk about strategies, go over trades that we're taking. Yeah, it's just a good place for everyone to come and hang out. So I'll put the link in the comments below. You can find it on the YouTube channel as well, and I'll see you there. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you would like the video and comment below, because it really helps with the video in the algorithm. And if you're not part of the channel yet, then please subscribe. That's awesome. And I will see you guys in the next one.